guys, this is a really weird video because it's so close. I've got my mount on my desk, but it's so bright because my lamp's just there. Getting a bit more sorted with my, what's the word, my setup, my angles, my views. I'm just going to put the camera down so you can see. I'm just looking at some beautiful card, although this is a faulty pack. I'm just going to take some pictures of it so I can get a refund. But it's a shame what can happen if I sent a dodgy batch of card basically, but it's really, really pretty. Shiny. I was wondering if it will shine it better in this light, if I can hold. There you go, you can see the sort of twinkle. It's more of an understated twinkle, but the idea is it should still be shiny and sparkling into the tree. Let's see if I can twizzle this. That's the tricky part of all of this. Let's see if we can go. This is the fun. Oh, here we go. No, it's on a sort of ball and socket. So if I loosen the socket, it will go like that, which isn't what I want it to do, but it can go like that, and then like that, and then do we have the result? If I have to, I can't really see where we're looking now, but I can then lift you guys up. This is cool. This is like a proper, oh no, I've twisted the thing the wrong way, it's come off. So getting the left and the right angles right. So in theory, if I don't tighten this, it will just be wobbling, but then it will be hanging perfectly from the top down. So if I put my finger here from the top down, you're looking at it upside down, but that's fine. I'm not too worried about that. But I just want you to be able to see the sparkly effects of this. But yeah, every one of them is damaged. So I'm going to just take some pictures now before I tidy away. Just tidying my desk down. Just wanted to do a quick video just to keep contributing to the channel, because I'm going for perfection all the time and I'm not getting any progress. Look at that. Yeah, you see that one is there, and there's a dark one, faded sort of one, but thicker. And then this one, you've got track marks there and there, so there's not really, and there, it's a really terrible batch. It's going to cost me, I don't know how much it's going to cost me to send it back, but I'll have to work it out. And then that one, if it's a return of a faulty product though, I shouldn't have to pay any postage, but we shall see. We shall see. I'm going to take those pictures. What else have I got to show you? I'm collecting these letters. These are offcuts from some tags that I've now packed away, which is a shame. But I've also been working on making my own envelopes. I've got some do not bend envelopes that I'm not buying at the moment because I'm trying to save money. But I've just finally found some that are 15 pence each, which is better. But we're still dealing with the. They don't look as pretty as these. I made these myself with card, paper, and I've also backed the inside, so there's a backing. But it's not perfect because if somebody opens this, it's actually card, not paper, sorry. If somebody opens this and takes their tags out, when they open it, are they going to see my DIY card inside, or does it look good enough? I think it looks nicer than a do not bend envelope. And I should get it cut and written on here, do not bend, because then it'll look really nice. I feel this will look better. That's all. And at the moment, I'm trying to reduce my costs for packaging, because to reduce the costs in packaging, generally you have to buy in bulk, which then means you've got a big investment for, it's okay buying bulk in materials for crafting with and your blanks that you're going to be colouring in, but I just feel it's a bit too much to do. See, there's my blank, there's my card. So the idea was, I need to fold it much more nicely than that, but the idea was that I actually lay my gift tags across here with my special jute thread in a way that it ensures perfect passage through my postal, talking very funny tonight, through my postal calculator. It's got to get through here to be able to post for 65 pence. If not, it will go up to 88 pence. And I can usually get 20 gift tags through that small hole, which is great because it brings my profit up a little bit per item. Just trying to do all the tweaks I can. In fact, the reason we have a problem here is because I'm going the wrong way. I think. Nope. It's because it's not so sturdy as well, but really, you fold it first and then you crease. But the best way to crease is to, well, I find this is the best grip. There. This is quite an old one. This was a second hand one, but I got some brand new ones. Different shapes and sizes. But yeah, this is the kind of thing that's relaxing and fun. So yes, it might cost me more in time at the moment, but while I'm working out what I'm doing, price-wise, product-wise, does anything make me money? Or is it just a sort of lost leader at the moment while I get my stuff together and get a bit of money ticking over, new products, new supplies, because I'm selling old ones, that kind of thing. And lay my gift tags there, the jute there, arrange them all. Then that goes on top, and then glue, glue, glue. That's the theory of it anyway. But to glue it really well, I have to make sure that I don't get any glue over the other side so it doesn't glue my bits together. And then will my items, will the white of the card rub off on here? I suppose the way to do that is to really, 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 really test it. I've got a thank you card that I need to redevelop. So if that's in the post box, the postman sack, it's fine. It's fine. But I'll need to test my shiny, you know, my shiny gift tags as well. See how they go. So I've got red as well for Christmas. Here's one I made earlier in red. Bit of a mark there, but that's fine. It's not worries. It's outdoor packaging. It's fine. And just think they look really nice. The next thing I'll be making will be a little itty bitty thank you note card and envelope. So I need to find some card for those to go in. And yeah, at the moment, just as I say, tiny. I'm keeping these little shapes for my daughter to learn letters with. Over the next year or 3, she will be doing more with them to be recognising, but she'll be using these probably even up to about the age of 10, 11 as she learns to spell in different languages, and the more interactive you can make letters, numbers and all that kind of stuff, the better that the children are going to do. Here's some of my other shapes that went rogue. Yeah, just clearing my desk at the moment is the first thing, just so I can carry on. Sometimes I get a bit creative and have to tidy up after myself. So this needs to go away. And then I get busy periods again and I have to keep tidying, but it's all good. My trolley, and also Annabelle brings things in, my daughter, so I have to put it away. This is something new. Glycerin. Apparently, we can do it now on a video. Apparently this will revive my, let me put these in my samples pot. This will revive my daughter's little stamp pots, because she likes to do stamping. And her ink pots are a little bit dried out, so I'll get gluing them for her. Not gluing, inking, re-inking. I don't 100% remember. It might not work on all of them, but it's better than throwing them away. Where are Annabelle's? Here's her little craft box. So the glycerin was from the pharmacy. Here's her little craft box. It might be a bit low at the moment, but it's better than the higher view, which makes you can hardly see anything. Da, da, da. So there's some goodies in here for her to embellishments. These are her little stamp blocks. You see, so they're nice and big for her to hold, and she loves doing really intricate work with those washi tape. These are so cute, but she's not using these. I've been making these up slowly. I bought an old bundle off a lady, including this box actually. And she'd made up a lot of these little characters already. So another will be made up if I sneak in a ink pad all in ink for her. I suppose it'd be really to test some first, wouldn't it? Here's my scrap paper. I don't know why my voice has gone all posh. I think it's because I'm trying to talk quietly, but I don't know why, because she's already asleep. Fast asleep. She had a lovely, lovely day. Now, the purple, I believe, is still working fine. And she's not cleaning these after use, she's just using them. Yeah, so the blue, sorry, not purple, is okay. The princess one, maybe it's another set. Oh, that's okay too. Where is the set that's not working then? I really should encourage Annabelle to do lots of stamping because it will get her confidence up and her creativity. And then she can learn new techniques from me as she gets older. She's so clever. She just gets stuff. Like, so I can talk to her like an adult and explain things to her, and she's like, yeah. Oh, okay. I know that if I'm using a word I've never used before, I can describe what it means to her and she'll be happy enough. Maybe she doesn't get it, but I think she does. So it's so exciting to enable talent like that. But it all starts with not working out of the home, you know, working from home, bringing in some form of income. I could there's no point me aligning these all up, matching them how they should be, because she will just mix them up anyway. Okay, so the one I have got, I've lost, is here. Nothing really left in there. Could try this one where it says hard work. That's the one there's not so much in. So if we can, there is something you can also do with watercolour, liquid watercolour. I don't have liquid watercolour, but I should have shown you this properly. If I can tilt it for you now without you. So it soothes sore throats and chapped skin, so it might be quite nice to use this as a little skin tonic. So I'm just going to just put a few drops on here. Wow, that's cool, isn't it? They do say use some water as well, but I'm not going to really worry about that right now. Maybe just see how that. I wonder if it's sticky. I'm just thinking about the cough mixture you get, you know. This is what helps sticky throats, isn't it? It is sweet. Okay, I might just see if I can work that in with the stamp first. Needs a bit more colour, I think, but it takes a while to seep in. But yeah, if I had some liquid ink, watercolour ink as well, then the glycerin helps stop it from evaporating. So we're actually getting more of a result here. You need to work it in, and that should be really done with a credit card type thing. But it's nice to know that we've not completely lost the use of the toy. Just looking for, I tell you what I can use, a spatula. Because it needs a good wash anyway, and you just kind of spread it over. I hope you can see. Should have been looking really, shouldn't I? You can see that. You can see that better than this. Okay. Don't even know what I'm going to call this video now. It's gone in quite well because there's nothing really left on it. Bit greasy, but that's better now. It's coming out better. I'd be tempted to put a tiny bit more on. Gotta clean it first. Again. Oops. over. Happy days. This is a natural product, you see, so it's better to keep an old child's product revived than an adult stamping product, because they're much more friendly if they get it on their skin. There we go, we're better than these first ones, look. Every time, a nice bit of colour. There must be a few other combinations. There we go, that you can use once you've got going. But we have our result. Happy days. Now I know I can refresh my bits and bobs. Just don't know where to put this now. Better in my craft room than in the downstairs toilet, which is where we put our pharmacy bits and bobs. Okay, that's that bit done. Okay, I shall see you guys in another little episode of little craft room tips and observations. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thumbs up. Whichever way you're looking. Thumbs up. And come back for more. Tell me what you like best. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.